现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Well, hello there. It is time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're teaching you how to cheer people on by saying 加油
加油
加油。其实加油加油最常听到的就是在运动赛事，
帮人家加油。
对，而且大家会异口同声一起来加油加油 ，Yeah.The most common place that we use this phrase is actually at sporting events, right? Because you're cheering on your team. And for instance, I love playing tennis, so let's hear a conversation about a tennis match and getting some encouragement and some cheers.
恭喜大日名球总决赛，
俺只是各打一场就赢诶。
加油加油！
就是最后加油加油了，对不对？哈，好，这个是在讲是一个我喜欢的运动，叫网球啊。
对，
终于能进入总决赛啊。
对
不对？
而且再打一场就赢了，
就得到了这个头衔了。好，我们来一句一句来教。恭喜你进入网球总决赛 ！Congratulations for getting into the finals for your tennis match.
恭喜
恭喜
大日名球
大日名球
总决赛。
总决赛。哎，名球就是网球吗。
网球。
哦，名球 is one of my favorite sports, man. That is tennis, and then the finals match 总决赛。
总决赛。
总决赛 ，OK， 不管是足球、棒球、网球总决赛都是总决赛。That is the finals. All right, thank you. One more match, and I'll get the title, or I'll win the title.
俺只是
俺只是
各打一场
各打一场
就赢诶，
就赢诶，就赢诶，就是
就赢诶，就赢了，
要飞扬起来的感觉耶哈，就赢诶。That means I'll win the title with one more battle to go. 再打一场，
各打一场，
各打一场。Okay, and to say you all know that means thank you. And then it's all about this month's phrase. 加油加油
加油加油
加油加油。对，这个就是我们这个月所教的例句了哦。好，那我们来顺便再重复复习教几个单字。
好，
包括如果你们也喜欢网球，网球怎么说？
名球
名球 and then a finals 总决赛
总决赛
总决赛 and then to congratulate 恭喜
恭喜
恭喜。Right, congratulate you into the tennis finals, basically, is what we're teaching here. Let's listen to the conversation again.
恭喜大日名球总决赛，
俺只是各打一场就赢诶。
加油加油
And again, this month 就是加油加油 Go, go, go! And thank you again for listening to Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什么台嘎？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.